Ready? Is it the oldest mountain in the world? Here we all go. You want to? Oh, I didn't think so. Trail's fun. He just put it on. See, it says Mountain to Sea Trail, North Carolina, Cherokee. If you hit that other collar Look at that view. Ooh, this is steep here. No. Dangerous trail, wash out ahead. Oh, that's good to know. Oh, yeah. I can kind of leave it down. No. Holy cow. Oh.
Look at the parking lot. Look how high we came.
Yeah, the parking lot's right there. That's how high we are.
450-foot elevation we came up.
That was 5,700 elevation.
No, but
So what are we at now? Like 6,000?
above that.
No way.
6293, 6,300.
Oh my God. We went over 1,000.
That was a...
That was intense.
Hmm? So we made it to the top of Waterrock Knob. I got it. You want to borrow it?
You okay, Dad?
Oh yeah, I'm fine. I am.
You couldn't drop shit.
Benji's ready to freaking...
How's the knees? You guys
Perfect.
okay?
I have no problem.
There's a lot of lunges.
Mm.
Those big steps.
It's Don that I worry about.
So ridiculous with my outfit.
Why?
What do you mean? You look like a hiker to me.
I look like a hobo.
No, you don't.
Well, maybe. No, you do not.
Look like a hobo.
You do not. Quit saying that.
You look like Mentos.
The candy. Colorful candy.
No!
I'll take that.
Like spearmint double gum. Spearmint
no.
What?
double gum.
Let's try to think of something.
Oh, that's
Ew. Karina.
Wait. It's upside down, but I'm trying to get Benji.
Karina. Whew. Karina. Karina.
We're burning all this food we ate,
You gotta. I'm not gonna
Yeah.
bend down there and take a picture of them.
which is good for me.
Yeah.
Mom did too.
I know.
Go back over there.
Where is it?
Did you bring your vitamin?
I got everything you need.
But I don't have water. I should have brought.
Who's got the water? Oh, gracias. Oh, okay. Here. You had one. If you don't use it, I want it. We got you one. And I know it's in your...
I'm right here, boo boo. I gotta jump out this rack on my side.
Everywhere.
You grab those to zip it up.
Hey. Va a subir todo eso al carro.
Benji.
Benji.
I'm gonna record him. Wait.
What is that,
I
Benji?
couldn't do it. Okay,
Are you
video.
recording him? His foot is black.
He's gonna get all done, then you're gonna say, "Okay, let's go."
What are you? His back paws are really dirty. That's Benji. We're at the top of the mountain. He decides to dig.
Yeah, he's done.
There's people coming. Let's go.
No traes wipes.
Oh gosh. Wait, no, I didn't bring them. I was towel though.
Ready to go back?
This leg should be in
This blanket feels good. I gotta take him out again. Yeah, the blanket's messed up. His legs are really messed up. My flight just hold on. Maybe when you stand up, stand.
This is just everybody have fun.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa.
Holy cow. Stay there, you guys. Is this a good picture? No.
Yeah. Would you have the worst place for that camera?
No.
That's huge. It has to be
It's
huge.
gotta be really big. You
Yeah.
can see it from here.
It's taller than the trees.
Somebody hauled that up there and built it. Man.
Sorry, we get sidetracked. Because
Remember love?
At least it's not really a lot of people.
no.
You just stop.
Huh?
Do that?
Nothing.
Did you hear that?
I knew fart.
That came out with Chris.
Then this
Mom's face
This-
now. She's so grossed out.
I got the whole thing on video.
I wasn't gonna do it.
No, okay.
Oh, look at this.
Is that Cherokee? The town?
Oh no, Cherokee's way behind us.
I don't know. You're talking to a disoriented person.
The thing at the left looks like a ski lift.
I know, a ski resort.
Maybe it's Banner Elk.
And look how green is up there.
Mm-hmm. Now, that's the worst place for that phone.
My bad knee and my bad foot.
Lead with your good foot.
No, they said send the bad one down first. I learned that when I had therapy for my foot. They said the bad one downhill and the good one up to heaven. Dangerous trail washed. Oh, at least we can go.
Hey, Chick, catch me.
We'll catch you.
I'll try.
Totally amazing. Okay. Thank you. The one rock is really wobbly. This one's wobbly. Yeah. Oh. Go forward.
Oh, look at his feet. I love it. Oh, ninjas. You okay, Mom? He just sits in there all like.
Yeah, yeah.
He's like inside. I know, I did too. When I saw that it kept going, I was like, okay. How many miles was that? Like 1 mile? Half a mile?
Up is half mile, down is another half mile, so 1 mile if you go.
It's only half a mile? I thought it was more.
No, hold on.
Yours just feels like more.
Yeah. It's because it was hard.
1.16.
Almost halfway.
Oh God. What is he? How many?
He's mostly palm, yeah.
Yeah.
Teddy bear, or what do they call that? Is that
I don't know.
He's the rescue. I have no idea.
cute as hell, Pomeranian?
Yeah.
There's no trails tells you how many calories you burn.
Yep.
I never looked at that. I forgot. The mountains you see it from where to where?
From Kleeman's Dome all the way up to, I don't remember where exactly, Wilmington or something.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
And how to runner, who's that?
Pia.
Pathfinder Trail. Oh, this is lighting.
Wow, C-130. Isn't that right, dude?
Picture
Googles.
of Benji.
Oh, I hear you.
What do you see up there? Ducky.
Benji. Sorry. He's so good.
There's I want to go do that. I know there's one.
Yeah, I know it's the Appalachian Trail. I can't remember which one.
Mm-mm.
When you have a lot of shell in your backpack, you think it was funny.
Yeah. I know. This is cool. Now is the time where you're going to see bears. Yeah. It's all the way in the back. I have to take off my backpack.
No, it's right here.
I know, I can't reach it.
It'll be too late.
I'm going to say, here, wait here.
No, I'm nervous.
Maybe where we don't see
Coming
any.
straight from me. I'm
No, we have to swim and go like this.
And I'll blow my whistle.
Blow the whistle.
I got Benji back there. He's like, ooh. Appetizer and
At the same time.
yeah. What's on? Oh. What's on?
You guys can pass and go fast.
Wow, look at that. Jeez. Look at all the trees down. That's from all that Hurricane Helene. Man.
Look all the trees down. What the heck? These are the trails that
There's no way I could ever make it.
Shredded that.
Nice, dude. You far out.
This is when it's getting so cool. No, we'll turn around. No, we could turn around. You guys.
and I can come back here.
Yeah, we could come back here.
Yeah,
Do you remember the name of this trail?
Oh yeah.
M2C,
Waterfall Knob or what?
Mountain
Yeah.
to see. Oh, this one, the other one, going up. What is it called?
Not in the sea.
No, the other one.
It doesn't.
This is a trail.
This is a trail. This is what me and Mom like. This is all the trails like this. This is how all the trails at the, what's the name of that? The Waterrock, Linville Gorge and all that stuff. Pisgah National Forest is all like this. All right, let's go back. If you guys aren't going with Benji, we're hitting the Smokies. I mean, there's so many trails like this, it's unreal. So many. Yeah, that's been burnt in. I love this trail. This is so freaking cool. I heard that. Sounded like a... Oh, you can? So I'm looking for... Oh, the wind grabbed it.